you guys, so the Carmel-tini is rinsed out of my hair completely. My hair feels so nice and smooth and soothed from this hair treatment. I guess it's really for dry hair, which my hair was definitely lacking moisture because I did my wash and go on completely dry hair before this, and I'd done a couple of other things before, like trying to brush it dry and something else that you may see in another video later. But immediately upon putting this on, you guys, it was smooth. It was defining my curls, like it penetrated instantly. And then I let it sit probably for around an hour, maybe an hour and a half, because I had something to do. And so it soaked in even more. My hair has like a nice sheen to it. I mean, I know it's wet, but I feel like it's still gonna be there once my hair is dry. But I'm gonna go ahead and get on with the rest of my wash day, or styling part of my wash day. And you guys will see what I end up doing in my next video. Please stay tuned for that. Highly recommend the Carmel-tini hair treatment by Terra Veda Organix. And as always, I do have a link in the video description box with a discount to purchase any Terra Veda Organix products that you wish. Go ahead and check it out. But this I can definitely highly recommend. It's one of those DIY type of treatments that you don't have to DIY. So that is all, you guys. Definitely let me know what you think. Did you see what I was seeing when I was brushing through this conditioner? Give me your thoughts and feedback down in the comments. If you like this video, definitely give me a thumbs up. Are you going to try it out? Let me know. Until then, you guys, as always, live out loud, own your truth, and let your light shine.